We presently have 48 locations for the Lafayette Parish School System, 4,400 employees, and roughly 29,000 students here in Lafayette Parish. If you don't have the proper learning environment, kids won't concentrate. HVAC, AC is very, very important here in South Louisiana. What we found out with STAR, we have no downtime. STAR is on time, when we need them, where we need them, and it's actually helped make our schools a lot more comfortable. STAR is all about service. That's what we wanted, that's what we needed. We needed the proper service maintenance program. That is what STAR does. That is the basis of their business, service and maintenance, which lessens the repairs and the replacements. Our service calls are dropping. Our repair calls are dropping. Our replacement calls are dropping. Just as Acadiana High is synonymous with championships in football, STAR is synonymous with service. Ladies and gentlemen, it's in the name.
STAR and Acadiana High School, we're both elite. Be elite.